It's Tuntun's turn to loaded. Hey, lots of toys fans, it's Miriam.
And Patrick Coots.
Check out this fun new Dinotrux toy. It includes Tuntun, and it's a rock and load skate park. It has 3 ramps and front-loaded action. Look at this. Here's the rock and load down the ramp. Then you bash into the boulders and load rocks up here. Then you grind down the half pipe over here. And it does connect with other Dinotrux sets. We've actually opened and played with the Smash and Slide construction site. We're going to show you how these two connect, but be sure to check out the eye above for more Dinotrux videos, including that Smash and Slide construction park. Dinotrux is a really fun show on Netflix, and I love all the toys from the show. They're awesome. They're dinosaurs that actually are construction vehicles.
Yay!
So now let's go ahead and open this one up.
Ooh, mine. Ah, there's an avalanche.
Guess who's here?
Tuntun!
It's time to put it together.
This rock and load skate park.
It has 3 ramps. Tuntun can actually travel down the ramps.
And watch this what he does with the ore. It's gonna be so funny. Oh!
After you load the ore, it's Tuntun's turn to load it. And it falls right down in his truck.
Crush it. Smash it. Move it.
Awesome. So you load the ore right on top, and then Tuntun smashes the bottom with his tail and it falls down. Yeehaw! Here's Tuntun, and he's a ton of fun. He picks up ore with his tail. He smashes through walls and collects ore with his tail. The ore is what the Dinotrux eat. Here's the Smash and Slide construction site we've opened before. And this construction site connects with a skate park. I'll show you that in just a minute. This is a really fun construction site. It has several features. There's a plan here, and then you have to smash through this wall to get to the other side. This side of the construction site is now a ramp. You can bring your Dinotrux right up. When you smash this wall here, there's a surprise revealed. And guess what? It's a secret plan. Tuntun is hungry. We need to find ore. Let's smash through some rocks and get us some food. Awesome. Or yum, 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 yum. Let's see if we can load it in our truck. All of these fun toys connect to each other. So what you do is you remove this piece here, and you can see the grooves. They should match up. And there you have it. That's it for us, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe and watch more by clicking the I above.